Okay. Next program is sum or product. Okay, sum or product, you can check the what is input. In input format, first number, value line 1. In second line, second number, value. You can take two values, first number and second number. Okay, result depends on test cases. First test case, input, you can take two values. What type of values? 20, 30. What type of values? Integer values. That's why I want to write this program using Python. First, you can take the input. After that, what is the output? 600. Why it is 600 means multiply of two numbers. 20 into 30, 600. But program is sum or product. When it is sum, when it is product means accept two integer values from the user and return their product. Actually, what requirement is product of two numbers. If the product is greater than 1000, then return their sum. If product is greater than or equals to 1000, then you can convert that problem into addition of two numbers. For example, if you provide 50, 60, 50 into 60 means 3000. 3000 is higher than 1000. Then you can convert it into 50 plus 60 means 110. That is the program requirement. Depends on that, you can write the program using Python. Then you can select the language Python. First, you can accept two values. A equals to int of input of. B equals to int of input of. But first you can calculate the product of two numbers. For example, result equals to A into B. But if this program requirement is either product or sum, depends on result. When it will be converted into sum means if our result is greater than or equals to greater than 1000, up to 1000, you can print the product of two numbers. If in case 5 is 6, 5 into 6 means 30. Then you can print this 30 only. That's why you can check the output. If our value is lower than 1000. In this situation, we are using two operations, either sum or product. Depends on result only. If you want to compare anything, our result compare with 1000. If you want to compare anything, then we go for if condition. That's why you can check the value is greater than, less than or equal to 1000 or not. If r less than or equal to 1000, no problem, you can print the r. The reason is 1000 or 1000 below, you can print the product only. Else, then you can convert that process into addition of two numbers. That's a simply you can write a plus b. Then you can run and execute. 100% all test cases are matched. Okay. Simple program. After two numbers, you can decide either product or sum. When it is product means our product is lower than 1000, you can print the product only. Lower than or equal to 1000. If higher than 1000, greater than 1000, you can convert it into addition. That's all.